Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 300. The world of motorcycling is synonymous with thrill, speed, and adrenaline-pumping adventures. For beginners who crave the exhilaration of sport riding, choosing the right motorcycle is a critical decision. The Kawasaki Ninja 300, celebrated for its approachable power, agile handling, and rider-friendly features, emerges as the ideal sport motorcycle for those just starting their journey into this exciting world. With its accessible performance, sporty aesthetics, and beginner-focused attributes, the Ninja 300 provides the perfect platform for beginners to begin their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without overwhelming themselves. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 lies a 296cc parallel twin engine that delivers a harmonious blend of power and manageability. This engine offers sufficient oomph to experience the thrill of sport riding without intimidating beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The Ninja 300 boasts a sporty design that mirrors its larger sport bike siblings. Its aggressive lines, sleek fairings, and distinctive styling elements embody a true sport bike spirit that resonates with riders seeking a dynamic and visually appealing ride. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also bask in the Ninja 300's sporty aura. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the Ninja 300 is designed for rider comfort. It offers a balanced riding position that ensures comfort during both spirited rides and long journeys. The moderately high-set handlebars, well-padded seat, and accommodating foot pegs contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently tackle twisty roads, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a top priority for beginner riders, and the Ninja 300 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and weekend thrills. The Ninja 300's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily urban commutes and weekend escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand and the Ninja series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the Ninja 300 sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The Ninja 300 offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 embodies Kawasaki's commitment to providing an ideal sport motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 300 offers a gateway to the excitement of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 300 as their first sport motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the thrill of conquering the open road on two wheels.